lada ki paiba ki kwa ka jingkala ken hab bensim ya ka jingit kli but what ki scheme ki balamang nak sarkar ndiaro omsem la pentrekam tikna ha Meghalaya la ong omeli ka congress na gambegre usaleng e sangma ha local election mp lok sabha banwan hari lom garo ulong ba ka sensyar paiba ka jingthumu paiba ka dei bansai but kamsong hakinong yelam halo ka Jingdawa Nongbah Tlang ni wenta capital hari lom garo usaleng ulong ba ka dei ka basong Nongrim Hynrei menta ka Kynjah no ajar
winter capital. It was genuinely demanded by the public. It is needed also. Once upon a time, I think there was one incident I may recall. There was one simple winter, session had happened in Tura. I feel like I think I have the record also. Some Khasi MLAs and then a few along with the Captain Williamson, they had held one meeting in Shillong. I mean Tura, regarding the winter capital. Whether they had a session or don't know, I'm not sure. But it seems like they had one day session in Tura regarding this winter capital. If you recall those things, that means winter capital also very much needed, no doubt. And then the demand was genuine because you see, when we are talking about the fair development, so that way, if something is there in Garo Hills, then definitely even the footfall of the tourists will also be there. For example, not only the tourists, those who want to party, those tourists which I'm talking about in need of some requirement. Okay, like for example, if there is a good hospital, then definitely people will go to hospitalize themselves in Tura. So that way, from not only from the Garo Hills, even from outside the state will come and then for the checkup and for the treatment. So likewise. And then, like for example, if there is any other offices, then people from other parts of the state will come for that particular office. So that way the footfall of even the tourists would have been high, even in Garo Hills also. It will not concentrate only in Shillong, for example. Since I'm generally speaking, actually, that way I'm just trying to highlight the reality actually of the situation right now from the Garo Hills.